What's up, guys? Did you miss me? I know it's been a long, close to 2 months now, and we haven't really made any videos at the house. But we've also been really busy with both life and doing some things at the house that weren't really exciting. Kind of frustrating a little bit. It took a lot of thinking, wasn't very video worthy, I would say. So yeah, let's give you the 60-second recap of what we did. So first off, you saw my new truck. I went and picked that up 3-4 weeks ago, beginning of April, because my old truck just wasn't cutting it anymore. I increased my increased my drive to work. I got a new job. So that happened on my terms. It was my choice, and I think I'm happy with it so far. Kim moved down here. Ready? Watch your eyes. Boom. We have light. Kim moved down. She got a new job. Piper moved down. Kim's dog. What else happened? We rebuilt the front room here. Because the old construction was just rotten. It wasn't any good. It needed to come down. We took out way more than we thought we had to, but it's better now. Yeah, I can't remember anything else that happened, but there's been lots. So today we're going to try and finish up some of the rough carpentry. Getting super close. We have like 2 or 3 more small little tiny things to do. Kyle's coming over to do some windows. And yeah, we'll see what we can get wrapped up today. I'm just ready to start working on electrical, plumbing, that sort of thing. So stick around, we'll have some fun today. So today's adventures are going to include working on the upstairs rafters, I guess you could call them. I don't know. We're not really putting rafters in. It's just to hold the insulation. But let me show you what we've already done. So like I was saying, see, every other one is kind of a rafter. But since the old ones were spaced like almost 3 foot on center, we had to put these new just 2x4 supports in so that the drywall didn't sag and that the insulation would actually stay up there. And that's something else too. The thing we have to do is make the connection from that header board right there up to here, while still maintaining head height so that tall guys like me don't hit their head. So that's going to be tricky to figure out, trying to get angles and all that kind of thing. But we'll see what we can do. I'm not saying I'm perfect, and I'm not saying I know what I'm doing, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Good morning, Kyle.
Morning.
So Kyle's here. He's going to put our windows in today. I'm excited for that. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 windows to go in. Ooh, and we have a door if we get to it. The door is in. Well, it's not in, it's in the garage. Yeah. So, Kyle is going to do that. And Dad and I are going to be working upstairs. So we're going to get a lot done today, hopefully.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a
You want to explain what you're doing, Kyle?
Cutting the wall.
Why are we cutting the wall?
Well, somebody thought it'd be a good idea to let that rot out So we're gonna just put a 8-foot sheet of plywood in there, and
Like everything else in this house, we take one little thing apart thinking we can easily put it back together, and we're wrong, because it's either rotten or done completely wrong. So, luckily we're fixing it, and it's gonna be better when we're done. That's what I keep telling myself. It's gonna be better when we're done.
Serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair, telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you dead, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you. Yeah, yeah. Now, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Maybe you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough.
Well, before we burn the whole place down, we're gonna go eat some lunch, because I'm getting hungry. When I get hungry, my brain doesn't function right. So, I'm gonna go eat. But we got some progress done. Let me show you what we did upstairs, because Kyle has been working on this window here. And then Dad and I have been working up here. We got a few more of those drywall holders up. And then this, the stairway is opening up, and we're just trying to figure out the angles on that now. So my brain's starting to hurt. But I'll see you guys after lunch. So this is Piper. Oh, this is Kim's dog. Huh.
Hi, baby. Oh, straight up the nose.
Alright, we're gonna start working, Pipe. You might want to go outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to go outside?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So that wraps up today's housework day. Upstairs, we got the wrong wood. I needed 12 footers. I got 10 footers. I thought 10s were going to work, but I need like 10 foot 4 inches. So we came up a little bit short, so I'm going to have to get a couple more pieces of wood to finish the stairs. But Kyle finished this window, and it actually works. And it's a lot better than I thought it would be. So from here on out, we're not going to have snow blowing in the window cracks, and for this window at least. We still have 3 more to do. But it's a start. We got the other one torn apart, but didn't have enough time today. So tonight we have an entire section of fence to burn in the backyard because one of our friends decided he didn't want his fence in his yard anymore. So I said, I'll get rid of it for you. So we're going to do that. So that's going to close out our video. But
Yeah, I know. I love you. Stop it. I gotcha. Thanks for putting your butt in my face, though. I appreciate it so much.
So that's going to round out our day. We are enjoying a peaceful bonfire, finally, after a long, hard day of work. So, you go enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Isn't that right, Piper?
Piper!